Okay, so hello, I'm back, and I am getting ready to wash my hair. I'm really excited because it's definitely wash day and a twist day also. So it's about that time. So yeah, I got my cecred, and it smells amazing. Bottle pops right on off. Wait, now I smell it. Yes. Here's the texture. It actually does have those beads like everyone says. Oh, it feels nice. So I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, put this in there from there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair, and uh, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I can see my hair's wet. Okay, so I think this smells amazing. Oh, this leather's so thick. It's so thick. I love that part. That's a little water. So I just washed my hair, and I'm a little ashamed to say this. I just washed it. It feels amazing. I know it's clean, except I want to do another wash through. Only because it's been so long since I actually done a really nice wash. And when I was washing this one, there was, it was, it was a, the foam was a little, a little dirty. So I wish I would have got the hydrating shampoo, but I didn't. So I'm gonna go through and do a second wash to really make sure my hair is clean. But yeah, my hair feels amazing. Look how well it's laying, by the way. Yeah, everything washed out great, lather as well. But take two. Listen, this time I don't need to record. Bye, y'all. Okay, so I wasn't gonna record, but I wanted to get this lather. This is the lather. This lather is amazing. The first time my hair was so oily, mostly because I oil my hair often. And my hair is natural oil, but this time, look at that. I didn't use a lot of product at all this time, to be honest. The first time I used quite a bit. I wish I would have gotten the hydrating shampoo. I see now exactly what would have happened. Like, look how lathered my locks are. That's amazing. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna wash this out now. Yes. Oh, my hair is tingling. It feels amazing. Yes. Um, Wow. Thank you. Oh shit. Ooh. There's still soap in here? I'm not sure. Either way, you know what? Pour it in the middle. And then. Okay, so time to do my condition. This is like so therapeutic. You know what I don't know is I am lost in just like massaging my scalp in this. It feels so good. I was gonna say, I wonder how many locks I have because some people's YouTubes I've been watching, they was like, I have 71 locks, 71, 5 locks, 200 locks, and I'm like, I don't know how many I have. So I might take time to count them also. It smells so good. And which is nice to massage all in my head. And then I don't have a blow dryer. Oop. I don't have a blow dryer or anything, so I'm gonna take a hot towel. It's pretty good massage there for sure. I definitely use a generous amount. But I have locks. Booyah. Booyah. Yes. This is what I was using before. Actually, really great brand also. I don't mind them, but I'm excited to throw them out. This is what I was using before that, which also still not bad as well. Not bad, but definitely not this shit. Holy shit. Okay. I'm gonna wrap my hair up. I'm gonna do some things. I'll see you in a second. So I've never done this before. So this is my solution. I have my shower cap on, which is made of plastic. And then I have my towel, which I put in the microwave. I got wet. Put it in there. And then I put it on my head. It's hot. Yeah, so I'm waiting. I'm gonna be waiting a little longer than 20 minutes, 30 minutes, mostly because the housekeeper also just got here, so they need to clean out the bathroom. So that's gonna take a second. But, you know, I'm grateful for the privilege or the payments. I don't know, something. Either way, yeah, so this is it. This is where I'm at. It smells amazing. It's tingling. I've never done this before. This is really exciting. Like, what? Like, I feel like I'm gonna unwrap my hair and it's gonna be like down my ass. Now, I do want to say, speaking of which, because on topic, I cannot wait until my hair is like, you know, to my taint. Like, you know, like, you're routing it and you put your head back and the hair fall back. I just want to touch the back of my ass. So I am trying to make this work. My towel got started to cool down a little bit. I had to warm it up, so I put my heater on it. I might have to just throw it back in the microwave, but I don't want to leave my room. I don't know if everyone here has a housekeeper or anything, but there's something about when they walk in the door, I just want to be out their way. I don't even like to make noise. And that's kind of weird. I mean, I say hello when I say hello. You know each other's name, but like, yeah, so either way, I know she's not in the bathroom. She's upstairs now. I can hear her. But either way, my hair's cooking. Trying to get a little heat back in there. I think it's doing a good job. I feel like this is an innovative idea. You know, right? Isn't this basically what they have, more or less? So, right. Okay. Okay, it's me again. I'm doing a reveal. It's been long enough. Towel's wet. Ooh. Ooh, definitely feels soft. Okay, well, I'm gonna rinse this out and come back and we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We gotta do a twist also, but either way, we're gonna do it. We're gonna see. Just for good measure. Okay, bye. I feel good. I feel great. Whew. I know my hair is so soft. I know that. Mostly because I probably never sat with 30 minutes with my hair being conditioned before. Rapunzel, down your long locks. Ooh. Okay. Wow, my hair smells amazing. Okay, so I can tell you. Ooh. I like being able to run my fingers through my hair, and this feels really nice. Like, it's not like snappy because it's like, you know what I mean? It's like because it's still more moisturized. Oh, feels great. Scalp is clean. Scalp looks amazing. I just did a relock or whatever, and that's gone. But okay, well, I'm gonna retwist and come back. But yeah, my hair feels amazing. Yeah, it's soft. My locks. Yeah, this is yummy. Okay. Well. I have so much new growth. It's amazing, but also annoying. I'm not complaining about the new growth though, but okay, it smells good. Okay. How should look? I mean, I have processed locks also, so I can do a little extra work. So, on that note, I see you in a little bit. Bye. So it's been a while. I did my retwist. I had trouble. It's laid down tight right now. But I didn't really have trouble. I did 2-strand twists, which I have done before in the past, I thought. Either way, I did 2-strand twists. They weren't staying together, really. It's one tight enough. I don't know, something. Some of them won't happen. They were unraveling. Even though I had rubber bands at the end. I wasn't going to put rubber bands at the top. I did that before. Bad idea, by the way. They got so thin. Bad idea. But did two strand twists, and I took the two strand twists and put them to like a little bantu almost ish. It's tight. I needed to twist out, but I haven't done it yet. But that's what I got so far. At this point, I'm not even talking about cecred. This is what I've ended up with. So, yeah. Anyways, this is what I got. My hair is so coily. It's so hard to get my parts right and stuff like that myself. I also only use my hands. I'm happy I got cecred. It got me this far. My hair feels amazing. The texture was so great to touch. I gotta oil my scalp and stuff like that as well. I'm gonna do that as I take these out. But I'm not really sure when I want to do that. I want to know how this really actually looks. Ouch. Okay. Either way, I'll put some on. Take these out. And then figure out the rest of my life. That was me eating Beyonce. Okay. Alright. Okay. Ooh. I need to go to a barber, but we won't do that no more. So, I think. Okay. It's been great. Overall. I'm trying to be honest and give an honest review out of 10. Honestly, I would give it a 9. I would give it a 10, really. I don't think the price was worth it to me. I don't know. I'm really, like, I understand it's pricey, but it's a high-end product also. Also, you can tell there's a lot of work that went into it. The ingredients are there. The packaging is there. The packaging, honestly, being able to... I've used a lot of shampoo before, though, like most people. But being able to apply it, the way it's set up was nice. The quality was there. Also, that lather. Did y'all see that second lather? Yeah, it was great. I know I'm going to get that the first time. The next time I do it. The first time, the second time. Ha ha ha. So, with that said, yeah, I give it a 10. The texture, I really can't get over those beads also. That conditioner was really, I mean, I used a good amount, so I granted that I'm pretty sure it took a while for it to wash out, but it was quite a bit for the wash out. The way I wash my hair, I wash it so I can see it running, so I can know when the product's out of my hair. And I had to do like 2 rinses to get all of it out, which, I mean, I don't mind. But my hair feels amazing, felt amazing. I've been learning more about the natural hair lingo, and I can say the slip of my hair has been feeling amazing. You know, actually being able to do my hair was actually really nice, and it was amazing. The texture is amazing, even when it started to get dry a little bit. As I was just retwisting it a little bit, it was still damp. It was still moist. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It still had the spring to it. It still has this spring to it. It still has a spring to it. So yeah. But also, I mean, if y'all think I'm biased, that's your own opinion. Why would it? Yeah. Anyways, so that's that. That's on my rating. I wanted to get the travel size to actually make it so I can get all the products, but the thing is, the way I use products, I really know that I will go through that travel size product quite a bit. So I really wanted to get the full sizes. Also, I just really wanted those nice bottle shapes in my shower. So, yeah. Whenever you want to come with like a body wash, I'm just saying. Okay, this has been my little review. Next hair update probably maybe include my twist out. But we'll see. Either way, I'm gonna have a video out with my hair in it, so there's gonna be an update to an extent. Okay, this has been cute. This is fun. Check my shit out. Y'all know what I do. Like, comment, subscribe. Chasm.com. Wake up, sissies. House of Sonique. Goddamn, there's so much shit.